My name is Denise Bash, and I'm the president and founder of Animal Lifeline, a fundraising and rescue supply company. We work locally in the Philadelphia, Bucks County region. We also work with rescues across the country. I ask that rescues and people involved in rescuing animals, whether it be for your own pet or just because it's a passion, consider looking into Evolved Rescue and give the people the tools, the resources, and the education that they need to take better care and advocate for the animals that we love. The first time I interviewed you was, I think, October 2006?
Yes.
We were in another house. We've done a few things since then. What do you think would be the next thing that, as the person who's living here with your wife alone, caring for these animals, we would need?
We really need appropriate fencing.
Okay.
We really need an exercise yard, training area. There's so much that we need.
My job's a lot better. The animals, I love them. They're all well taken care of, and feed's always quite a bit of feed for them. It saves the county, and Animal Lifeline's doing a real good job. And a lot of people can't afford it. Heck, they can't afford really to feed them, so their rabies shots and stuff like that, they're not going to. If we don't get out there and help these people, then we're going to have stray dogs, and there's going to be no way to control it. So, if people need to get out here and work with us and call us and see if we can get out here and help them and get their dogs spaded and neutered and take care of them.
Are you willing to continue to keep volunteering your time to drive these animals and meet with these families so that they understand what we're trying to do?
Yes, I'll give all the time I can to anybody that needs my help. I always have, and I've worked well with Animal Lifeline. And yeah, I get out here and I'll take my time and whatever I can to help anybody.